Hey guys! Today I was on the internet and I stumbled across something pretty darn useful. So, have you ever had that problem on CSGO and you wanted to inspect a skin but you're not in the game or you don't have it loaded up? Well, this site I found can help fix that problem. First, you're going to want to type in 3D Viewer on CSGO on Google or whatever you use, and then you click this one. It's like 3D Viewer. It says 3d.cs.money. And then you click that and it will load you in on this Redline AK like all the time. But then yeah, and you could like change what gun you want to look over here. But first you gotta like click what weapon you're under. So like if you want to look at M4s, then you gotta scroll down to M4 before you start searching in the skins, because otherwise it won't pop up if you're in like another skin. Like I can't look up the M4 Redline here because that's part of the AK, but just like that. But like, since I'm in M4, I could type in Hyper Beast right there. For example, Chantika's Fire. That's what I'll use for this video. But then, yeah, you could also like change, like look through all the skins it has right here. Or you could like change what condition the skin's in. Like, also the float. Like, the lower the better, the higher the worse it is. But, yeah. And then you could also change what pattern ID it is through all these. I don't really know too much about those though. But then if you ever want to add like a sticker, for example, you go up here and click one of these. You click one of them to make sure they're highlighted. Then you click whatever types you want, I guess, or you could sort through colors even, or even collections if you wanted to. But yeah, I'm not going to put on a sticker because, yeah, but actually I will just show you what it looks like. You could click this and then it'll put on the sticker there. And then you can, to remove it, you just click it over here. It'll bring up this menu, and then you click remove, and it's gone. And then, yeah, it's pretty cool. And then if you go over to options up here, you can turn stickers on if you have some on, or you could turn them off. You could turn the stat track on your weapon, or you could turn on like an auto rotate if you don't want it. And yeah, oh yeah, and I also got to say, by using the left click on the mouse, you could drag it around like this. You could zoom in with the scroll button or down here, and then to move it around like this, you just got to click the right mouse, and then it's pretty good if you want to look close and then just go down the weapon for look at all the detail. But yeah, and then but I find that the best part is over if you go to skin and then go into animation mode, you click that and turn it on, and it brings you up this little menu right here, and it's all the animations this weapon has. But all the ones that have keybinds right here, like for example, draw is G. If you click G on your keyboard, then it'll draw your weapon, or if you want to inspect it, you just click F. Um, Same with reload. But for shoot, since there is no keybind for that, you just gotta click shoot up here, or you could even click reload and stuff if you don't want to click R. And then, yeah, that's pretty cool. And then you could also change what gloves your character has on by going down here, and it'll change gloves. And say you wanted like to look at Crimson Web gloves, then you'd have to go into Specialist gloves, and then oh, it just put me in them. And then go down here, and it'll like you have to look through all the Specialist gloves. But yeah, I'm gonna put on Crimson Web, and then you could like put on the condition of what gloves they are, and then yeah, it's pretty cool. And then yeah, pretty cool thing. You could also change the background up here, and then if you don't like this background, you could just put it on another one or something. And then you could just exit this mode by clicking that. And then if you don't want all this little menu like going over, then you just click this little thing up here. There's like a full screen type image thing. You click that and it brings all the stuff out. And then if you want it back, you just click that. But yeah, I just found that this site was pretty cool and I never really knew about it today. But it's pretty cool because you don't have to sign up for anything. It's like takes like 2 seconds to load in. Like yeah, you could look at any gun. It's pretty cool. But yeah, thanks for watching this video and I hope this helps you. But thank you.